Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Podcast Easy English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mike. Hello, friends.
Last time, we started a conversation about true love, and your response was amazing.
Yes, we received so many questions about how to talk about relationships in simple English.
So today, we are doing a deep dive, a longer and clearer lesson to answer all your questions.
True love is something very special. It makes people happy and connected.
Do you want to know what true love really is?
Stay with us. We will explain everything in simple English.
This is a long episode full of easy phrases and real-life examples.
And don't forget, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.
Your support helps us grow and keep creating more content for you.
Are you ready to learn English and love words together?
Let's start. Welcome back, friends. Today, we are talking about true love.
Yes, Emma. True love is very special. But what is true love? Let's explain in simple English.
First, true love is caring for someone.
Yes. Caring means you want the best for that person. You help them when they need help. You think about their feelings.
For example, if your partner is sad, you try to make them happy. This is true love.
Now, second, true love means respect.
Respect is very important in love.
Respect means you listen to the other person. You do not hurt them. You value their opinions.
Yes. For example, if your partner has a different idea, you listen and respect it. That is true love.
Third, true love is trust.
Trust means you believe in the other person.
Trust is very strong. When you trust someone, you feel safe. You know they will not lie or cheat.
True love is caring, respecting, and trusting.
Let's say it together.
True love
is
caring for someone. True love means respect. True love
is
means
trust. Perfect. Now, let's use some examples in simple sentences.
I care for my partner. I respect my partner. I trust my partner.
My partner cares for me. My partner respects me. My partner trusts me.
True love is not only words, it is also actions. You show love by being kind, helping, and listening.
And remember, friends, true love is not just for couples. It can be for family, friends, and people you care about.
That's right, Emma. True love is everywhere.
So today, we learned 3 important things about true love: care, respect, and trust.
Try to practice these words with your friends or family. Say, I care for you, or I trust you. These are true love sentences.
Next, we will talk about how you feel in love. Stay with us. Yes, when you love someone, you have special feelings. We will learn 3 important feelings today.
The first feeling is happy.
When you love someone, you feel happy. Happiness is a good feeling. You smile, you laugh, you enjoy your time together.
For example, if your partner gives you a gift or says kind words, you feel happy. Say it with me, I feel happy.
Great. The second feeling is safe.
Love makes you feel safe. Safe means you are comfortable. You can trust your partner. You feel calm and relaxed.
For example, if you are with someone who respects and trusts you, you feel safe. Repeat after me. I feel safe.
Perfect. The third feeling is loved.
When you are in true love, you feel loved. Loved means someone cares about you, respects you, and wants the best for you.
Yes, for example, if your partner helps you, listens to you, or gives you a hug, you feel loved. Say it with us. I feel loved.
Let's say all 3 feelings together. I feel happy. I feel safe. I feel loved.
Excellent. Now, Let's use these feelings in sentences with someone you love.
For example, I feel happy when we talk.
Or, I feel safe when I'm with you.
And I feel loved when you help me.
Friends, feelings in love are very important. They help you understand your heart and your partner's heart.
Yes, you can also ask your partner, how do you feel? This is a good way to practice English and share love.
Let's do a short practice together.
I feel happy.
I feel safe.
I feel loved.
Try saying these sentences every day. This helps you learn English and express your feelings.
And remember, love is not only for couples. You can feel happy, safe, and loved with family and friends too.
That's right. True love and caring make everyone feel good.
Next time, we will talk about what people do in true love. You will learn action words for love.
Welcome back to Podcast and Easy English. We have learned what true love is and how it makes you feel. Now, we will learn what people do in true love.
Yes, we have learned what true love is and how it makes you feel. Now we will learn what people do in true love.
True love is not only about feelings, it is also about actions. Actions show love every day.
The first action is helping each other.
When two people love each other, they help each other. Helping can be small or big.
For example, if your partner is tired, you can cook for them. Or if your partner is sad, you can talk to them and make them feel better.
Helping each other is very important. It shows that you care. Say it with me. They help each other.
Perfect. The second action is listening.
Yes, listening is very important in love. When you listen, you understand the other person.
True love means you listen to your partner's thoughts and feelings. You do not interrupt, you pay attention.
For example, if your partner talks about their day, you listen carefully. You say, I understand, or I am here for you.
Listening shows respect and care. Repeat after us. They listen.
Excellent. The third action is supporting each other.
Support means you help your partner in life. You are there when they need you. You encourage them.
For example, if your partner wants to study or start a new job, you encourage them. You say, I believe in you.
Supporting each other is very important in true love. It helps both people grow together. Say it with me. They support each other.
Let's put all three actions together. They help each other, they listen, they support each other.
Great! Now let's use these actions in sentences with examples.
I help my partner when they are sad.
I listen to my partner when they talk about their day.
I support my partner when they have a dream or a goal.
Friends, these actions are small but very powerful. They show true love every day.
Yes, love is not just words, it is what you do. You show love by helping, listening, and supporting.
You can also ask your partner, how can I help you? Or do you need my support? These are loving actions too.
True love is a team. You both help, listen, and support. This makes the relationship strong and happy.
And remember, friends, these actions are not only for couples. You can help, listen, and support your family and friends, too.
That's right, Emma. Love grows when people take action every day.
Next time, we will talk about how to talk about your partner. You will learn words to describe the person you love.
Welcome back to Podcast Easy English.
Yes, talking about your partner is fun. You can use simple sentences in English.
The first sentence is very easy. I love my partner.
That's right. You can say, I love my partner. It is simple and true.
For example, I can say, I love my partner because she is kind.
And I can say, I love my partner because he makes me happy. Saying, I love my partner shows your feelings clearly.
The second sentence is, he or she is kind.
Yes, kindness is very important in love. If your partner is caring, friendly, and helpful, you can say, he is kind or she is kind.
For example, my partner is kind. He always helps me.
Or, my partner is kind. She listens to me when I'm sad.
Remember, friends, you can describe your partner's personality or actions. This is a good way to practice English.
The third sentence is, we spend time together.
Spending time together is very important in love. It helps you feel happy and connected.
For example, we spend time together every weekend. Or, we spend time together cooking and talking.
You can also say, we spend time together playing games or watching movies. These sentences are simple and easy to remember. Let's practice all 3 sentences together, slowly.
I love my partner.
He is kind.
We spend time together.
Excellent. Now, let's try longer sentences.
I love my partner because he is kind and helps me.
I love my partner because she listens to me and makes me happy.
We spend time together every day. We talk, laugh, and enjoy our time.
Friends, it is important to practice these sentences every day. You can say them to yourself or with your partner.
Yes, talking about your partner helps you express love in English. It also makes your relationship stronger.
You can also ask your partner, how do you feel about me? Or, do you like spending time together? This is a good way to practice English.
True love is about feelings, actions, and words. Today, we practice words to describe your partner.
Remember, friends, your sentences can be short or long. The most important thing is to speak from your heart.
Next time, we will talk about challenges in love. You will learn how to speak about problems in simple English.
Don't forget to subscribe and like our podcast.
Keep practicing. And remember, I love my partner. He is kind. We spend time together.
Let's remember some sentences from our love series.
I love my partner.
He, she is kind.
We spend time together.
We talk, we forgive, we say sorry.
They help each other. They listen.
They support each other.
Great! Now it's your turn. Here is a challenge. Write 2 sentences about love in the comments.
We love reading your sentences.
Thank you for listening, and don't forget to subscribe and like our podcast.
Next time, we will talk about fun ways to learn English with friends.
See you soon, friends!